Hello! Welcome to Miki's kitchen. Today is the 191st day. I'll show you how to make kasu-jiru or soup with the base of sake leaves. This is one of the most popular winter soups in Japan. Kasu is short for sakekasu or sake leaves, which are the bits that are left over when sake is made. It's rich in protein and dietary fiber, and it also warms you up. So this soup is good to have in the cold winter. Well, let's get started cooking. First, fill 700 milliliters of water in a pot and soak konbu or kelp in it. And next, fill 200 milliliters of water in a cup and soak shiitake mushrooms in it. You can make delicious dashi stock from both kelp and shiitake mushrooms. When the shiitake mushrooms become soft, cut them into quarters. Then add them into the bowl of kelp. Then strain the water in which shiitake have been softened and add into the kelp water. Next, place sakekasu in a bowl and take some dashi from the pot. And soak sakekasu in it to get soft. Next, peel white radish and carrot. And cut them into quarter rounds. Like this. Then scrape off the burdock skin. And shave it. Then fill water in a bowl. And soak burdock in it to eliminate their bitterness. Next, tear konnyaku into bite-sized pieces with hands. By tearing konnyaku with hands, they become easy to absorb the seasonings. Then cut white spring onion diagonally. Then cut aburaage or deep fried tofu in half. And cut them into 1 centimeter long. Then cut fillets of salmon into quarters. Then drain the water of the burdock using a strainer. Okay, these are today's ingredients. Now heat a pot of dashi stock on medium heat and add white radish, carrot, burdock, and konnyaku in the pot. When it comes to boil, take konbu out of the pot then put a lid and keep simmering until the ingredients get soft. When the ingredients get soft, add salmon and aburaage in the pot. And when the salmon turns the color, turn off the heat and take a cup of dashi and add miso in it. And dissolve it. When the miso dissolves, pour it into the pot. Then add sakekasu, which got soft, and dissolve it. Okay. Then turn on the heat again and add white spring onion in the pot and simmer it for a few minutes. When the white spring onions are cooked, turn off the heat and serve it in a cup. And last, garnish with green onion. Okay, that's it. It's time to eat. いただきます。It's so delicious. It warms the inside of the body. You should try it. Well, I've shown you many kinds of Japanese soup until today, so from tomorrow I'll show you different kind of dish. So see you tomorrow!